Let's talk about the latest ProDentalPhoto kit that arrived in our dental office. If you open the box, you have magnetic adapters. We have adapters for standard diffusers, magnetic attachment ring that goes in the center of your ring adapter on the Godox MF12 kit. Basically, this is without. Then you have a rubber band that you can then place with the white marks that it is leveled out to place it in this. This then gives you a magnetic attachment for the cross-polarizing filter. You mount the adapter ring. See these magnetic adapters that slide on your Godox MF12 flashes. You slide them in, and then you have the magnetic attachment. Here are both slided in. Then you put the one ring in the center, the other two's outside. You're ready to shoot cross-polarized. This magnetic attachment, and look, it's pretty cool to put it back in the box, close it. Really nice packaging, QR code for tutorial videos. We have this additional adapters, one for the standard diffusers. Well, I don't like them very much, but in some situation, they might also be useful. And then just click it in, magnetically attach to your flash. So these are the standard diffusers. Or you go for the bouncers, also here, magnetically attached. 1, 2. If you bounce, direct the flashes outward so that the light is going to the reflector and then bounces back to the subject. Another interesting adapter for the Godox diffusers. And what do we need to do? We cut the lower part and then slide it in to have them attached magnetically to your flash. Really pretty cool as well to have magnetically attached diffusers. This is the modular system. If you want to use your flash bracket for the whole procedure to mount this circular polar filter in the center, there are some adapter rings that you can slide on top, and then you put them on your MF12 flashes and everything magnetically. This is like a modular system with adapter rings. The adapter rings also come from Nikon and Canon macro lenses. For the Sony, so far, we only have it for the 90mm. Maybe we will get one also for the 100mm macro lens soon. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch out for more information to come, more reviews to come. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will also add the link to ProDentalPhoto to their website where you can get these amazing products. See you soon. Voila.